Hi guys, it's model answer for add fractional parts of 10 and 100, lesson number 9.6, page 181. Okay guys, he wants me here to find the thumb 1700 plus 6 tenths. Can I add it? No. Why? Because I don't have same denominators. So I'm gonna add 0 here and 0 here. So 17 plus 60 equals 77 over 100 because denominator never change. Now 9 hundredths plus 4 tenths, I will add 0 here and 0 here to make same denominators. Now 9 plus 40 equals 49 hundredths. Okay, now so obviously I'm gonna add 0 here and 0 here, so 70 plus 23 equals 93 hundredths. Have here fraction decimal, so I have to convert it into a fraction first. So 48 hundredths plus 30 hundredths. Now 48 plus 30 equals 78 hundredths, but I have to write the answer as a decimal, $0.78. Okay, I'll make a line here. Convert it into a fraction, 25 hundredths plus 34 hundredths. Then add it, it's gonna be 59 hundredths. Then convert it into a decimal, $0.59. Okay, it's a line. Now 66 hundredths plus 600. Why 100? Because I have two numbers in the decimal, so it's 600. So 66 plus 6 is 72 hundredths. And I have to write it as a decimal, so $0.72. Now guys, we'll move on to number 8. Nate's frog jumped 38 hundredths meter, then his frog jumped 4 tenths meter. How far did Nate's frog jump in all? So I will add 38 hundredths plus 4 tenths. Can I add it? No. So what I'm gonna do? Put 0 here and 0 here. 0 why? Because I'm gonna multiply it by 10. So 38 plus 40 is 78 hundredths. What? 78 what? Meters. Now, Kiko walks 5 tenths kilometer from school to the park. Then she walks it's 1900 kilometer from the park to her home. How far does Kiko walks in all? So I'm gonna say add 5 tenths plus 1900. Now, can I add it? No, why? Don't have same denominators. So I'm gonna add 0 and 0. So 50 plus 19, it's 69 hundredths. 69 hundredths what? Kilometer. Now guys, let's move on to the next page. Number 1, in a fish tank, 2 tenths of the fish were orange and 500 of the fish were stripped. What fraction of the fish were orange or stripped? Or means I will add both of them. So 2 tenths plus 500. So I will do what? I'll add 0 here and add 0 here. So 20 plus 5, it's 25 hundredths. Number 2, Greg spent 0.45 on an eraser and $0.30 on a pen. How much money does Greg spend in all? So I'm gonna add both of them, but first I'm gonna convert it into fractions. So 45 over 100 plus 30 over 100. So 45 plus 30 equals 75. 75 hundredths, but I have to write it in a decimal, so $0.75. Number three, Philip saves $8 each month. How many months will it take him to save at least 60? At least. So, guys, 8 times what give me 60? Okay. And it said at least, so 60 or more, but I can't choose a number less than 60. So 8 times 7 equals 56. So I can't choose 7. Let's say 8 times 8 equals 64. So I'm gonna choose 8. Why? Because it's 60 or more than 60, but not less than. Okay. Number 4, Ursula and Yi share a submarine sandwich. Ursula eat 2 over 8, or 2 out of 8 of the sandwich. She ate 3 over 8 of the sandwich. How much of the sandwich do the two friends eat? 2 of them. So I'm gonna add both of them. 2, 8 plus 3 over 8. I said so equals 3 plus 2 equals 5, and denominator never change, so 5 over 8. Now guys, number 5 is not a homework. Okay, number 6, Jeff drinks 2/3 of a glass of juice. Which fraction is equivalent to 2/3? Okay, 1/3 is equivalent to 2/3? No. How about 3/2? So let's see. I'm gonna put 2/3 next to it. I'm gonna cross multiplication. 3 times 3 equals 2. 9. 2 times 2 equals 4. So they are not equal. Now number C, let's do it again. 2/3, I'm gonna cross multiply. 3 times 3, 9. 6 times 2, 12. So it's not C or B. So of course number D, but let's make sure of it. Now 12 times 2 equals 24, and 3 times 8 equals 24. So number T is equivalent. That's it, guys. Bye.